Hi guys, welcome back to the Lady M Beauty channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. It's me, your girl, Lady M, and today, as you can tell by the title, it is another time for the Boxycharm Base Box unboxing. So yes, that's what today's video is all about. So if you're interested in seeing what's all in this month's base box, which is November, then keep on watching. All right, so I have the box right here. Let's go ahead and open up this base box together so we can find out what's all up in this month's base box. So before we hop into the unboxing, let me just get some information out there for you guys about Boxycharm. So this is the base box I get every month. All the details as far as what's going to be inside this box is going to be in the description box for you. Also, I also include information about Boxycharm, the different box options that you have, and then I'll also have a link below that you're able to use to sign up if you haven't already subscribed, or if you want to subscribe to Boxycharm. The link will be in the description box below for you as well. Also, I'll have the total value of this box right here on the screen for you. So that way we can really find out like what is the value of this box. It's going to be right here for you guys in today's video. All right. So first things first, we have our little insert sheet that always comes with all of the boxes. I have that right here. I'm loving this fall-esque vibe here that we got going on, this color story, very neutral. And this month's box is called It's Giving Giftable Glam. So, we're about to find out if Boxycharm was giving, if this box from Boxycharm is giving giftable glam. This is the November base box. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. The first thing here is this thing from Some Institute. Some Institute, never heard of them before. See? Boxycharm always comes through with these questionable brands that we're like, who are they? Never heard of them before. So this is Some Institute. That's the name of the box. It's in a white unicarton with purple, and it has the name Transport written on the box. So nothing else really on here. It's exfoliating without abrasion, soft cotton pads infused with MDTS. What is that? Exfoliate dead cells on skin surface, unclogging blocked pores while delivering highly engineered vitamins, thus improving resiliency, hydration, and encouraging cell renewal for external use. Oh, it doesn't say if this is like vegan or anything. So let's see here. This product retails for $65. $65, but we still don't know what MDT5 is. These soft saturated cotton pads are designed to help improve skin tone, texture, and clarity with an 8% buffered AHA formula that gently exfoliates dead cells on the skin surface. So yeah, Some Institute. I'm just gonna open it up. Oh, typical packaging, and this has an expiration date. So it's literally just looks like a white box, not a white box, a white plastic container with the purple dot. Okay, it looks like they have other products too, and they're all like color coded on the insert here. So that's interesting. Okay, so that was the first product, retails for $65. Let me see what else I got here. This is Ofra. This is from Ofra Cosmetics, and this is the Face It Midi Palette. This product retails for $35. And so here we have it. Can't really see anything. It's just a white packaging, and it's like pink all around the box. So it says, bring the vacay to you with our curated complexion trios to sculpt, warm, and highlight. You have a contour shade highlighter and a bronzer. And this is the deep palette. So at least I got that part right. I don't have to worry about something being too cray-cray that's not going to work on my skin tone. Okay, this isn't too shabby. Let me take you guys there so you can see the color story. I think this is supposed to be the contour, this is the bronzer, and then this is the highlight. So not too bad, right? This is very pretty, especially the highlight shade. It's looking very nice, like a gold bronze, deep bronze. Okay, so this retails for $35. It says it features a buildable matte contour and soft shimmer bronzer, perfectly coordinated for light, medium, and deep skin tone. So I'm definitely interested in this. This is definitely something that's good. So if this is good, it definitely will speak vacay vibes because it says to bring the vacay with you with this. So if the shades work out, then it's definitely something that will go on vacay. Okay, so what is this here? This is Sophia. No. Oh, this is Seraphine Botanicals, and this is the Lunar Liner. This is a water-resistant liquid eyeliner, and it's Seraphine Botanicals. Who is they? This is PETA certified vegan, PETA certified cruelty-free, no gluten, no parabens, made with kale and ginkgo biloba extracts. Biloba, I don't know how you say that. Cruelty-free and vegan. Yeah, again, never heard of this brand, but the packaging, it kind of looks like a little newspaper. So that's what the packaging looks like. And then on the back, it has like all of the information literally about the brand. So like PET certified, PETA certified, all of that is on the back. Let me see what this looks like. Okay, so it comes and then it's in this black packaging and it has just the right writing, your basic packaging. So yeah, questionable because I don't know who they are, but no for me. Okay, next up in here, what do we have? Okay, so this is Ciate. I don't know how you say it. Ciate London. This is their velvet lip liner. It says achieve velvety soft lips with this liner. This soft, matte, intensely pigmented formula glides effortlessly onto your lips to perfectly define or reshape your lips. The perfect pout is just a stroke away. So this is what the packaging looks like, and it just literally looks like Ciate or Chiate. I don't know how you say it. It just looks like their typical packaging. It says intense pigment, long lasting. And I'm not sure that this color will even do anything for me. This retails for $18. And the other Luna liner retails also for $18. Yeah, this is not gonna do anything for me. So I just like swatched it right there. No, thank you. How do you get the contour palette right, but then you put this mess in this box that's not even gonna work on my skin? Literally, the color of it is literally what the unicorn looks like. So that's the color of the box. It's called Cocoa. This is not Cocoa. No, thank you. Okay, and the last thing that we have in here is from Sophia and Mabel. Mabel. This is the Lip Slick Fruit Lip Oil. It says, so you think you're slick. This lip oil gives you soft, glossy lips with no tackiness. It's lightly colored and applies to the lips like a slick, transparent oil with a fruity twist. Use it for a nourished look or in place of lipstick on days that call for a chill look. This retails for $22. Again, all these, except for Ofra Cosmetics, everything in here is questionable because these are brands that we never heard of before. So, not saying that anything is wrong with that. So you can always count on Boxycharm to be bringing you some new brands out there. This packaging is actually is pretty cute. It's just in this nice pink box unicarton, and it has like the black writing, and then this is the container that it is in. It kind of reminds me of like Kylie Cosmetic or Kylie Skin in this nice like baby pink. This is the lip oil. Yeah, it smells like fruity. I don't like strawberry, maybe. You know, I'm always here for a good lip oil, so that's definitely something that I will try. But the other products that I don't really know, I don't really be liking to test out stuff like that. So this November base box, Boxycharm, what is going on? Like, you came through a couple months ago, but now I just like, what is this? So basically we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. And out of the 5 items, I'm probably willing to try out 2. I'm definitely feeling the Face It Midi palette. I definitely feel like that's something that, you know, everybody can try. We're always looking for, you know, on the go things. Travel lightly with your makeup when you're traveling. And then, you know, we always need a good lip oil. You know, our lips always call for a little bit of hydration. So those I'm here for. That lip liner, I'm sorry. If you could have given me the palette in the right shade, which is deep, surely you could have found me the right color for that lip liner to include in this box. So I'm a little bit disappointed with the lip liner. And then the eyeliner, I'm not really much of an eyeliner person, so it's neither here nor there for me with that. And then this, I'm sorry, but when it comes to like exfoliating and using some skincare products, you just can't really just put any and anything or just get any and any brand and put that on because it's your face. So I'm not really feeling that either. So I got 2 things that I'm kind of excited to try. So that's like 2 out of 5. So again, this box is not it. Thank you, Boxycharm. Let's try again. Next month's box is going to be the Luxe Box. So I'm excited to see what's all going to be inside that Luxe Box. And surprisingly, I thought I would have been able to have the option to choose by now, but I haven't. So I'm going to be looking in my email to see if I have the option to choose 2 products for the Luxe Box. But anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know what's in your November box. How you feeling about it? Are you disappointed? Is there anything in it that's worth it? Let me know in the comments. All right, guys. Thanks for watching today's video. And before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to have you part of the Lady M fam. And if you're going to subscribe, then be sure to turn on the notification bell because you don't want to miss these uploads. All right? All right, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.